To get admission in SET GS Medical College or MBBS, the minimum marks required in NEET for open male category it was 580, and for female open category it was 420 marks, where the EWS male candidate required a mark of 576 in NEET 2019 for MBBS in GS Medical College Mumbai. The EWS female candidate required a mark of 543 in NEET 2019. The closing rank for All India quota general candidate for GS Medical College Mumbai for MBBS was 270, while the SC closing rank it was 5981. We will get to know each and every details about SET GS Medical College, from the fee structure to the opening and closing rank, as well as the required mark for MBBS in 2020 for different category, from general, OBC as well as NT, NT1 to the PWD candidates of different category. You please stay tuned with Medcovering. Hello, a grand welcome to all of you on our favorite NEET informative channel Medcovering. Let's start the discussion of GS Medical College Mumbai. So guys, here are the details of SET GS Medical College Mumbai. Starting with the total number of seats in SET GS Medical College for MBBS, then the total number of seats are 250. Earlier it was 180 seats for MBBS in SET GS Medical College, but in 2019 it was increased to 250 seats, and this information you can easily obtain from mciindia.org website, the authentic website for all information about any medical college, either their fees or their location. Each and every detail you can find from this website only. Okay, now talking about the fee structure of MBBS students in GS Medical College Mumbai, then the total fee for open category is 88,925 rupees. For reserve category other than SC, the total fees is 15,525 per year, and for SC category the fees is 10,525 rupees, because tuition fees in SC category is only 1,400, while for open category it is 79,800 rupees. Okay, this is the details of fee structure for SET GS Medical College Parel Mumbai. All these fees have to be paid in DD only in favor of Dean SET GS Medical College Payable at Mumbai. Okay, this is the information about the fee structure for MBBS course in SET GS Medical College Mumbai. Now friends, talking about the All India quota fee structure for candidates, then the All India quota fees for annual fees for AIQ candidate is 1,04,005 rupees. There is a availability of hostel facility for male and female, and the monthly hostel due is 353 rupees. And if talking about the bond condition, that is there any bond condition in SET GS Medical College, then of course there is a bond condition, and let's get to know about the bond condition of SET GS Medical College. Friends, here are the detail of the bond condition of SET GS Medical College. There is a service bond, and what are those bond and what are the terms and conditions, let's get to know about each and everything. Then friends, the service bond for GS Medical College Maharashtra is to serve the government for a period of 2 years after completion of MBBS course, as well as there is also a terms and condition, then after MBBS the candidate will not move to any foreign country for at least for a period of 5 years after completion of his course. If this bond agreement is breached by the student, the penalty of 10 lakh rupees will be charged, and the student will have to pay 10 lakh rupees in case he is not serving the government of Maharashtra for a period of 2 years after completing MBBS, or after completing his MBBS or BDS he is moving to any foreign country for within the period of 5 years. He will also have to pay 1 lakh rupees to the Maharashtra government in case he breached the agreement, and this is the bond condition of SET GS Medical College Maharashtra. And there is a service bond, and here are the details. You can easily find it out from the description of this video. Now friends, talking about the cutoff of GS Medical College, then let's have a look of different seat allotment of 2018 and 2019, as well as we will also check the seat allotment of 2019 in state quota, and we will share this list with you all guys. So for all India quota, we check the general category first. In general category in 2018, the opening rank for all India quota was 2, and this is the AI all India ranking, second ranking, and the closing rank was 193. okay, means जो एडमिशन हुआ था 2018 में ऑल इंडिया कोटा के तहत जनरल कैटेगरी में लास्ट रैंक जो गई थी वो 193 गई थी. एंड इफ़ यू चेक for this for the year of 2019, then in 2019 here is the list friends, the opening rank was 34 all India rank, and the closing rank for general category it was 270. Means if in 2020 if you want a seat in SEED GS Medical College through all India quota and you belongs to general category, it means your top ranking should be between 350 because this year in 2020 AIIMS and JIPMER is also merged, so most of the students they will be preferring AIIMS first. That's why this cutoff may be go down, and in such case if your rank is under 350, definitely you will be able to get an MBBS seat in SEED GS Medical College for general category in all India quota. Okay, now this is the category of general. Now if we talk about the SC category, in 2019 here is the list of SC category. The opening rank was 1290, the closing rank was 5931, and for 2018 if we check the same category, then we find another result, that is opening rank it was 2760 and the closing rank for SC it was 5403. So for SC category your all India rank should be below 6000 all India ranking if you wish to get a seat in SEED GS Medical College and you belongs to SC category. Talking about the ST candidates, then friends, let's sort out the list, and here is the details. The closing rank it was 14,781. This is for 2019, and for 2018 ST category, the category was ST and the list is here. The closing rank was 18,014. In 2018 it was 18,014, while in 2019 it was 14,781. It means again that in 2020 if you belongs to ST category and you want a seat in SEED GS Medical College through all India quota, then your rank should be between 1 to 15,000, means your rank should be below 15,000 all India quota, so that you will be able to get a seat from ST category in SEED GS Medical College. Now talking about the PWD candidates, then the PWD candidates in 2019 it was 59,014, and in 2018 let's check the list, and here are the details. For general PH candidates this was 92,488. It means if you belongs to PWD category and from general category and you want a seat in SEED GS Medical College Mumbai for MBBS, then your rank must be under 70,000 all India ranking to get a seat. So friends, these are the details of all the candidates of different category for SEED GS Medical College for all India quota. I am sharing this list with you all guys, so if you want to download it, you can easily download it from our description. For your future reference, you can easily understand the ranking system for GS Medical College for MBBS for different category. And we will now talk about the state quota, which is very important for the state students. And let's check what are the marks required for MBBS in 2019 for different category students to get a seats in MBBS in SEED GS Medical College. This is the state quota list friends, and this list is available on the official website of SEED GS Medical College. You can easily download this list in PDF. I have converted it in Excel to make you understand guys about the different marks system, right? So very first we will discuss about the open category candidates. Then here is the details, and the open category, the opening rank for MBBS in Maharashtra state quota it was 34, This is the state merit list, guys. Okay, and the marks gained by that student was 686 out of 720, and this is the complete list is available in SAIT GS Medical College official website. You can easily have a reference from there also for your confirmation. And the percentile he scored, it was 99.9973773. okay, and here is the details, all the details has been given. The fee charged for open category, it is also mentioned here, 1,04,005 rupees. The last rank was 1718, and the student, he was from open category Maratha, and he scored 580 marks. He is a male candidate and he scored 580 marks out of 720. It means if you are from general category and you wish that you should do your MBBS from SAIT GS Medical College, then in state quota for open candidate you must have to secure more than 570 marks to get a seat through state quota counseling in MBBS in SAIT GS Medical College. Okay, now we will talk about the other category, and here are the list. Let's sort out for OBC first. And for OBC, and here are the list. The last mark, the last candidate who was from OBC candidate, and he scored 595 marks. Again friends, this is more equal to the students of open category. In open category it was 580, but for OBC female candidate last rank, it was the rank was 14,082. This is the state merit list, and the marks gained by that candidate, it was 595. okay, it means if you are from OBC, if you wish a seat in MBBS in GS Medical College, you must have secured more than 590 marks in 2020. okay, so this is the details of OBC. And now let's check about the EWS. Then for EWS candidate, opening mark was 645 and the closing mark was 543. Means for EWS candidate in 2020, it is going to be get a mark of 535 to get a seat in MBBS in SAIT GS Medical College. Let's check the details of NT candidates. This is the reservation in Maharashtra. I have already explained the Maharashtra reservation system in my previous video. You can easily find out that the most number of reservation is in Maharashtra. This is the state which has the maximum reservation, that is 75% reserved reservation is for category, and only 25% seats are reserved for general candidate. okay, then for NT candidates, NT1, NT2 is there. You can sort out this list. I am attaching this list with the description of this video. You can download it, and for your reference you can here shortlist this list if you are belong to NT1 or NT2. So you can find out the last mark that was gained by the students who got MBBS seats in SAIT GS Medical College. What was his mark, and you can easily understand this, right? So the last rank holder for MBBS was 96,869. This was the state rank, and the mark gained by that candidate was 509 for NT category. okay, 509. It means again in 2020 it is going to be the same, around 509 marks. It means if you belongs to NT category from Maharashtra, then you must have to secure more than 500 marks to get MBBS seats in Maharashtra, especially in GS Medical College. okay, this was the detail of NT candidates. Now talking about the other criteria, then for SC, let's check the SC, and we will also discuss about the SBC and SPC section. And for SC and ST, let's check the both category. For SC, the opening marks was 673, and the closing mark for SC candidate, it was 505. okay, and for ST candidate, the closing mark was 377. Means if you belong to SC category, your mark in 2020 must be more than 500. If you wish that you should do your MBBS from SAIT GS Medical College, definitely you have to score more than 500 marks for SC category, and for ST category it was 377. Again you have to score more than 370 out of 720 to get a seat in MBBS in SAIT GS Medical College. Now friends, talking about the SEB candidate, so here is the shortlisted details of SEBC candidate, and when we click here we get all the details of SEBC, and the last rank holder in SEBC category was 1726. This was the state merit list, and the mark scored by that candidate was 579. It means for SET GS Medical College in 2020, this SEBC category mark is going to be around 570 marks, because these marks will be go down by 5 to 10 marks, because this in 2020 AIIMS and JIPMER is merged. So AIIMS having 1500 seats in 2020, that is also going to be added in NEET. So the top candidates, they will be going to AIIMS first, and that's why these marks will be go down by 5 to 10 marks in each college, in every college all over India. Okay, so if you belong to SEBC category, you have to score more than 570 out of 720 to get a seat in SET GS Medical College. Now friends, this was the details of different category, but without any physically handicapped quota. So let's check the details of physically handicapped. Then here we have to select the yes. When we select yes, we get these details. There are total 9 candidates who got admission in 2019 through physically handicapped quota, and for the person with disability, this is PWD category, the last rank holder was state rank, it was 1776, and the marks gained by that candidate, it was 107. The opening mark, opening rank, and the student who got the first admission, he is having the number of 434 out of 720, and the last student had a mark of 107 out of 720. This is the list of physically handicapped. So if you belongs to PWD category, you can easily find that how much marks you should score for SET GS Medical College Mumbai. Then if you score more than 200, then I think that will be a very much a good score to get a seat in MBBS. If you score more than 200, here a student got admission in 2019 with a mark of 107 only, but you have to score more than 200 for a surety that you will get an MBBS seat in SET GS Medical College if you belongs to PWD category. Okay, so friends, these are the details of SET GS Medical College, about the total fee structure, the bond condition, the seats available, as well as the different cutoff of 2018 and 19 for state quota and the all India quota. I have already discussed you. Hope you had got an idea about the SET GS Medical College. I am attaching these documents with the description of this video, so you can easily find out the documents. You can download it and you can use it for your future reference. If you people have any queries, if you want to ask any question regarding SET GS Medical College, just comment me, ask your question on the comment box. We will reply you with the most informative answer for your query. Okay, so friends, how was this video? If you like this video, please do share this with your friends, as well as do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2020 and 2021. Thank you for watching Medicaving. Thanks a lot.